password and PIN number. For your safety, you are advised to change your password and e-wallet PIN number to avoid intrusion from outside. To change, click My Information menu and choose Password and PIN link. Enter your current password, your new password that need to be changed, and make a confirmation password. You also can change the PIN number enter your new PIN number and confirm your PIN number. After finish, click Save Password PIN button. Now, your password and PIN number are updated.